Alright, so what's up guys? So today I've been experimenting a little bit basically, and what I have today is Kanpachi, which is Amberjack. Alright, so basically as you can see, it's actually very brown on the bottom. Okay, but as you guys can see with the meat, it's almost glowing and nice, beautiful. So what I did was I pretty much aged this for 1 week, and it kind of took out the moisture and it brings out the flavor of the fish. Alright, so it was a little experiment that went very good. Okay, so just like that, knife parallel against the board. Okay, I'm gonna trim the little brown because I don't want that. Okay, and then just be ready to make some nigiri slices. Alright guys, so Kanpachi is it's called Amberjack, and it's part of the yellowtail family. It's a type of whitefish. Okay, you guys can see, look at that, wow. It's almost glowing with the oil, so it's definitely very good right now, very delicious. Alright, so I'm gonna cut these into a few nigiri pieces. So guys, technically the goal would be to cut against the grain, but you can't really see it here, so I'm just gonna start from one side, and I'm gonna kind of cut towards the end. Okay, I'm gonna make just some nigiri slices. We're gonna do our 4-finger length, cutting at an angle 45 degrees. Once you're towards the end, we're just gonna cut straight down to make a clean mark. Okay, so we'll do a few of those. Okay, 45-degree angle, straight down, repeat. Okay, 45-degree angle, and then once you're at the end, just cut straight down, and then repeat. Alright. Okay, so guys, yellowtail is, Amberjack is it's a type of whitefish. It's pretty much like yellowtail, but it's a lot of flavor and it's a bit more firm. Okay, so we're gonna be making some nigiri now with these. I'm gonna show you guys how to make nigiri again. Alright, so normally you would put a little bit of wasabi inside of each piece of nigiri, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna garnish instead. Okay, so alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to make nigiri once, alright? A few times. I'm gonna take a piece of fish like I have here. I'm gonna lay it against my 4 fingers, have it laying down almost towards my palm, but not really, not quite yet. Okay, so when I curl my hand, my goal is to have my the fish right here just laying like that. Okay. Next, I'm going to take a little bowl of rice, make it into a little circular shape. I'm gonna place it in the center of the fish. All right. Okay, I'm gonna press in the center of the rice to kind of break it out, make it a little bit hollow. Okay, and then I'm gonna kind of just flip over the fish. Okay, now my goal is to just kind of have the fish wrap over the rice. Okay, and if I need to, I can fix it out like that. I'm basically just shaping it in my hand. All right, so everybody's hand shape is different, of course, but give or take, that's what you get when you're finished. Okay. So do that a few more times. Okay, on my 4 fingers, I'm gonna have my nigiri. Okay, so I'm gonna do it a different way every time just to show you guys a few different styles, but press on the center of the rice to make it hollow. I'm going to flip it using my index finger this time. Okay, so using my index finger, just like that. And then once again, repeat. Just have the fish kind of wrap over the rice. We're not pressing directly on the rice. We're just kind of having the fish wrap around the rice. Okay. Your goal is to not have too much pressure on the rice because you don't want it to be hard. So, okay, so be very gentle with it. Alright, so one more time. Okay, so now I have my fish. Okay, press on the center again. We're gonna fix it out. Press on the top and the sides so the rice stays in shape. This time I'm gonna kind of just flip it around. Okay, but once again, same process. We're gonna just wrap the fish around like that. Just like that. Okay, and that's what we get. Nice piece of nigiri. Garnish, I'm going to do this. It's a little bit of yuzu kosho, a little citrus spice. And then I'm going to put a little bit of pepper on top. Okay, so I just cut some peppers. I'm gonna place that on each one. Nice and simple. Okay, and then I'm gonna use a little citrus spice on top. Alright guys, and so this is it. Alright guys, so this is Kanpachi, 1 week aged Kanpachi. Just look at that guys, wow. So there's nothing even on top of the fish right now, but as you guys can see, it's pretty much glowing in oil. Looks so rich and tasty and flavorful. Holy shit, look at that guys. Let's get it. Yeah, so guys, you know, hope you guys enjoyed the quick little video. If you guys did, you know, please click down, give it a like, and yeah, subscribe. Thank you guys. Whew, look at that though.